What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews. Today I'm reviewing the DIMO car device, the DIMO R1 LTE device. So it's their $152 device. It comes in this box, and you just simply plug it into your car computer. And this is what people do when they, like mechanics will look at your car, they'll plug in their computer, and it goes under your car. I have a 2013 Chevy Cruze, and that allows them to see what's going on with your car. So I'm gonna share with you in this video, I'm gonna review the device, my crypto earnings. I'll actually show you my crypto earnings and calculate it for you. I did all the math ahead of time, share with you what I like and what I dislike about this device. So I'm gonna jump out of the car first. I have the car turned on because I wanna show you actually that it's plugged in. So you can see it's plugged in here, and when those lights are on, that's when you know that it is working and it is set up properly. So I'm gonna turn the car off and head inside, but I wanna share with you first the sort of data that you get on your car. So the data that you get on your car, the only two metrics that I see within the app, and there could be a little bit more, but really the only two metrics that I see are, you see your battery voltage, which my car shows me as well, and your PSI of your tires, which my car also shows me. So I think all cars show PSI and battery voltage, so I don't really think you get much data in regards to what the device gives you. However, the device does give you obviously crypto earnings. So that's what I'm going to share with you in this video today, is just share with you the crypto earnings, my crypto earnings, what I've received over a period of time, and just basically share with you what you can expect to receive as far as crypto earnings at the current price. So my journey started about a month and a half ago, and I have averaged 25 tokens per week of DIMO token. Now the DIMO token is currently 6 cents a token. It's actually 6.4. This adds up to $1.50 a week. Now if you run the math, $1.50 a week is 78 bucks a year, and 78 bucks a year is $156 within 2 years. So the device cost $152. I'm gonna get approximately $156 within 2 years at the current price of 6.4 cents a token. Now, there is different levels, so how DIMO token works, and this is where it gets actually really interesting, because currently at my current level, I'll pay the DIMO device off within 2 years. So it's like a 50% ROI each year. So you buy it one time and you get 50% back for each of those 2 years based on the current price of 6 cents a token. And then it pays itself off after 2 years, and then everything else after that is gravy. But here's where it gets interesting, because that already to me is interesting enough, because there's not a lot of stocks and cryptos that go up 50% a year. That's not really typical. I mean, I guess for some cryptos it may be, but it's pretty risk-free in that regard. So you know you're gonna get your money back, but here's where it gets interesting. I'm at a level 7 of 12, because I've been driving, I think, for about 6 weeks now with this DIMO device in my car. Now, as you drive longer, each week and each month, your levels upgrade. So like level 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and each level adds 3.69 tokens, DIMO tokens, at that level. So as you level up and you continue and you have consistency with your car giving data to the network, your rewards go up each week as well. So I have gone from level 1 all the way to level 7, and I believe this next week I'll be level 8. All you have to do is drive one time that week to qualify for rewards. So if you just go to the grocery store once, or church, or the gym, or wherever, the park, it could be anywhere, it doesn't matter, it could be right around the block. As long as you run your car one time that week, you are qualifying for those rewards. And I don't know anyone that leaves their car over a week unless they're on vacation or something. So currently, if you do the math and you draw that out, if I add those 5 levels, which I will because it's just gonna take another month or two, I'm gonna add 15 more tokens weekly, which will take my total weekly tokens up to 40 tokens a week. 40 tokens a week adds up to, at the price of, well, it's actually more than 40 tokens, it's about 50 tokens a week, 50 to 60 tokens a week at 3.69. But at the low end, at the lowest price at 6 cents a token or so, that's gonna be at least $2.50 a week. On the low end, it'll probably be more like $3, $3.50 a week. But let's just say it's $2.50 a week. To be conservative, I like to be conservative with financial figures. We're looking at $10 a month, and we're looking at $120 a year. Now that's at the highest level. and that is at the low price of 6.5 cents a token or so. Now, DIMO token has been up to 30, 40, I believe it even topped off at 50 cents a token at one point. So the price of the token could 6, 7, 8, 9x, meaning your weekly rewards, instead of being what they're at now, $1.50, could actually be $15 or $20 or $25 a week. And that's where it starts to get really interesting. But even if that doesn't happen, the way I look at it is very simple. If I'm getting $2 a week or so, and I'm adding up and I get my money back in, let's just say, a year and a half, or a year and 2 or 3 months, it might come to be somewhere around there. Well, I get my money back, but then everything after that is gravy. But it gets really interesting because during this time, the Trump tariffs have been enacted, and Bitcoin and Ethereum have had quite a bit of volatility. But here's the kicker. DIMO token is a quite underground project, and the price of DIMO token has gone down only 1%, not 1 penny, because that's a lot more than 1% when you're dealing with a 6-cent token. The DIMO token has only gone down 1 cent, 1%, not 1 cent, 1%, which is less than 1 cent in this case, believe it or not, in the last month. Because, like I said, it's an underground project, and Bitcoin and Ethereum and Ripple, XRP, Stellar, these types of tokens are getting a lot more attention, and their volatility swings a lot higher and lower. So with that being said, at 6.5 cents, and it was like 7.5 cents, 8 cents, and it actually did top out at 9 cents this month. So it has come down, 33% technically, but over the last month, if you look at the big picture, it's only down 1%. It went from like 6.7 cents to like 6.45 cents. Like, it barely moved. So I really see the potential of the DIMO project because, first of all, it's very early. Second of all, the volatility of the token isn't that high, so you're definitely going to get your money back if you purchase this device. And then third, as long as you keep the device connected to your car, those tokens will add up and your streak levels will go from level 1 to 6 to 7 to 10 to 12, and your weekly rewards will grow each week. And then additionally, the really great part about the architecture of the DIMO project is that they incentivize staking. So if you stake DIMO tokens, it actually locks it up and it creates upward buying pressure. So that's part of the reason why I believe the volatility of the price has not been as much as other crypto assets, is because people are staking the rewards and they're getting 17, 18, 30% on their staking. So, and it's locked up. It's actually locked in. You cannot remove it. So the staking locks it in. It creates less liquidity in terms of the liquidity of the token, meaning it's locked up, which creates upward buying pressure. So I look at it right now and I'm like, 6.5 cents a token, 7 cents a token, 5, 6, 7 cents a token, somewhere in that range, is a very early project. I'm gonna get my money back in 2 years at the longest. It's probably gonna be a little over a year. I'm gonna get my money back for the device. And I see on my phone my tire pressure and battery voltage, which is kind of nice because, if you're not in your car, you can see it on your phone. So if it's a cold day or you have an issue, you can actually see it on your app in your phone. So that is nice to have that remote access to that data. I was hoping for more data. I was actually hoping and thinking that the device would give me data on my engine and actually different components within the engine so I can prevent things such as, damaging things to my car that would be more costly in the future. Unfortunately, that's not the case, but I will say that I will 100% definitely get my money back, and the token will be, within my account. And I have done my research on this project, and based on the staking, the low price volatility, and just the staking locking the coin up and the upward trajectory and the upward buying pressure of this token, I see a lot of potential here. So I'm actually invested. I actually invested in the crypto asset now. This is not financial advice, but I actually invested in the crypto asset because I see the future of it, and I'm going to be staking it to get higher rewards. So it's very simple. It's a very simple project. It's very smart. Cars have data. Cars have information. And automotive manufacturers and different automotive companies can benefit from this, whether it's insurance companies or automotive companies. So obviously DIMO will be utilizing this data to some degree to monetize this data, but I don't care because I'm getting my piece of the pie, and I don't care that the data from my old Chevy Cruze is shared. And if you have a Tesla or a smart car to some degree, they already have all your data. So for you to share that data with another third-party platform and to get crypto rewards, it's a win-win. So I think it's worth it. You're gonna get your money back, and you're in very early on a crypto project. So look at it like this. I see it as I'm acquiring tokens each week at the price of 6.5 cents. And that price could go to 10 cents, it could go to 50 cents, it could go to $1, it could go to $6. Now, if that 6 cents goes to $6, then that may take 10 years. everything I have from 6 cents to $6 is going to 100x. So, you know, if I have $1,000, that's going to turn into 100 grand 10 years from now. And it may take 10 years, but if I have $1,000 that turns into 100 grand, or 6-cent tokens that build up and accrue over time and lead to $100,000, my Chevy Cruze is more than paid for at least 10 times over. So I think the project is worth it. I think it's worth getting the device. It's 100% worth it. And I also think it's worth investing into this crypto, because the staking and upward buying pressure is just going to cause it to grow over time. So I think it's actually a smart investment as well. So giving you more health metrics in your car, your battery and your tires is useful, but the crypto asset is really where it's at, and I see the potential there. So I'll put my link below. I think there's a discount code with that link, but I'll put my referral link. I hope this video helped you out and helped you understand the financial metrics and benefits of owning a DIMO token, or the DIMO device and the DIMO token. I would say the biggest downside is I wish the device gave me more data on my car, because I'm a data-driven person and I like to make decisions based on data-driven data. And I unfortunately don't have a lot of that, but I still think the crypto asset is worth it, and I see the long-term potential of this project, so I think it's totally worth it. So check it out below and start earning money every single week when you drive. And by the way, the more you drive, it doesn't change. You get the same rewards based on the level that you're at. So don't go driving more thinking you're getting more crypto. If you drive once a week, you qualify, and everyone gets that same token drop based on their level, based on how long their DIMO has been connected to their car. So connect your DIMO to your car, and if you can, stake some DIMO, send it to DIMO, and they're actually bridging an Ethereum connection now, which is what I'm going to be doing in the future. So I'm going to, buy DIMO from my crypto platform and then send it to them and then stake it, so I get higher rewards each week that I drive. So check out the link below and pick up a device. I think it's totally worth it, and I think it's one of the early crypto projects you'll look back on and say, I'm glad I got that device and I got in on this crypto early. I'll see you in the next review. Have a great day. Bye.